Mr. Cage's thought of the day is going to be a little bit different for these next two videos, but we still going to give some thoughts and principles for your application to see your life change and transform. And this is the thought. Data analysis is key for personal and business success. The first video is going to be dedicated to data analysis in terms of a business. Whether you are an entrepreneur long-term, whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur, maybe you're an entrepreneur who you in your infancy stage of the business. I'll show you how to and how important analyzing that is for success. Then the second video is going to be dedicated towards our personal success in terms of our personal growth and development. Shout out to Mr. Jeremy Vester, because if you see my t-shirt, I'm proud of it. Still outstanding despite adversity. This is his clothing line. If you want a hoodie or a shirt from Still Outstanding Despite Adversity clothing line to Mr. Jeremy Vester, go in the comment section, type I want one, capital letter I want one. We'll connect you with him and his company. And that's all she wrote from there. Let's go into the thought quick. Data analysis is key for business success. So let's say, hypothetically speaking, that you have a product and it's a food product, desserts. You have many SKUs, and SKUs are numbers that are associated with an item itself. So let's just say, for example, you got 10 items. Each item has 10 SKUs. But 3 out of the 10 items do work, do numbers, create volume. You sell more of those 3 SKUs than you do the 7. Data analysis is important because sometimes when we are running and facilitating businesses, we're so much engrossed in the passion of providing the service or the product that we're not looking at the numbers. And so the numbers tell a story. Numbers in association with business tells a story. Numbers will let us know if our volume is high or if our volume is low. If we're selling more of a product or if we're selling less of a product. What sells and what doesn't sell? What's selling and what's not selling? So if we wrap it up in a business aspect, if we have a service or a product, but we're just gonna keep it real frank in a box and say product. You have 10 SKUs. 3 out of the 10 SKUs do numbers, have great volume. Why even deal with the other 7 SKUs? Because as you continue to produce this product, it's costing us what? It's costing us time, it's costing us money. That's an unnecessary expense that we don't have to experience or incur as business owners. So we can either do a couple of things. We can either liquidate, put those 7 product SKUs on sale, or freeze them. We can put a delay and postpone them and still analyze our numbers. The major part of this conversation is that when we're doing business, facilitating business, whether it be a service, but in this aspect of product, we have to analyze the numbers. Analyzing the numbers from an objective standpoint allows us to find the story. It tells the story. It helps us comprehend and understand the story, and it influences our decision making. This is Mr. Cage, part 1. Data analysis is key for personal and business success.